Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to connect wallets to BullX Neo. In this case we will be using the Phantom wallet. So we're going to start with getting to our BullX Neo website, and we're currently on the Wallets tab. So wherever you find yourself, you're just going to come over to the left side and click on Wallet. This will take you to the Wallet Manager, and right here you have Solana wallets and withdraw wallets. You're going to click on Add Wallet. You're going to choose Solana, and since we're using the Phantom wallet, we already have the extension downloaded and our account is already there. We're going to put here Phantom. I have just one Phantom wallet address, so I'm just going to put it as Phantom. And then for the wallet address for Phantom, we're going to click on the Phantom extension, put in our password, click on Lock. So after clicking on Unlock, you have your options right here. You're going to click on Receive. So we have here Solana, and we also have here Solana. That's great. We're going to click on the copy icon right here. You can see it's copied, and we're going to click and paste it right here. So now we have it pasted. We're going to click on Add Wallet. Awesome. You can see when we click on our Phantom wallet, here when you hover over it, you can see Solana, AWJ, and here you also have AWJ and the ending letters. So this shows that you've been able to connect, in this case, your Phantom wallet to BullX Neo.